Teenage girl attacked and beaten unconscious by group of women. Man fined 530,000 for Spanish Town joyride crash. Westmoreland man arrested and charged for fatal drive-by shooting. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 14-year-old girl has been admitted to hospital in serious condition after she was attacked and beaten by a group of females in the parish of Clarendon over the weekend. Reports are that several of the females were adults. There are also claims that one of the alleged attackers is a senior citizen. The police have reportedly taken two of the women in custody and are searching for the others. A video of the incident has been circulating on social media and shows the group seemingly cornering and then beating the teen to an unconscious state. Several of the females, including a woman who appeared to be in her 60s, were also seen kicking the child while she was on the ground. The attack took place while other members of the community stood and watched and used their phones to record the incident. A St. Catherine man who took a car he was given to wash on a joyride and then crashed it while on a chase with the police on New Year's Eve was today fined a total of $530,000 in the parish court. 28-year-old Kevin Williams was fined $200,000 or 6 months imprisonment for maliciously destruction of property, $200,000 or 6 months in prison plus 14 demerits point deducted for dangerous driving, and $50,000 or 30 days in prison plus 14 demerit points deducted for no driver's license. 25-year-old Tommy McFarlane has been arrested and charged with the murder of 27-year-old Kemoy Wilson, otherwise called Moy, and the injuring of another man along Rickett Street in Westmoreland on Saturday. McFarlane, who is a farmer of Ricketts Avenue, has also been charged with wounding with intent.